those who want to learn English from me, I have a simple message to you. Actually, you know that I am not an expert in English spoken, and not even an advanced or even intermediate level. I am just a beginner. I start English speaking journey and I try to improve myself day by day. So now my primary focus is improving myself. So at that time, actually, I don't want to teach anyone because if I try to do this, maybe it can hamper my journey. And I have a simple challenge, that is within these 2 months I will try to make myself as an intermediate level English speaker. So for this reason, I spend my most of the time. I try to practice with some of my familiar friends, and with some of my familiar senior brothers, and some of my juniors also. But they are very close to me, and I actually feel comfort whenever I try to talk with them. So that's why at this time I don't want to talk anyone who is not very familiar to me, because I had to adjust. Many people have such type of skill that they can easily adjust with the people who are not known or are very unknown. But again, I see that they can easily make the conversation, they can easily doing different types of dialogue. But for my case, it's actually not possible. For this reason, I try to improve myself in this time, and after that, after 2 months or after 1.5 months, then I will try to teach the students. And I think you also notice that I am not making any videos nowadays that how you can speak English, or which type of things you have to do, which type of steps you have to follow. This type of things I don't try to make these types of videos. But after achieving a certain level of fluency, then obviously I will try to give you tips. I will try to give you some suggestions that which type of steps you should have to follow, and which type of things you have to follow. So actually for this time, that's all about my videos. Thank you for watching.